Hey, Jody Walters, MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida. Today we got a fresh trade. It's a 2007 Ebbtide 2100 Super Sport. This thing is one bad, fast boat. 5.0 Volvo Penta engine on it. It's extremely quick. It'll guarantee to get you to the no-wake zone before anybody else. It is a nice bow rider, has nice bimini top. It's in great condition. This boat has been ceramic coated by the previous owner, so it makes cleanup a snap. It keeps the shine and luster of the boat fresh. Huge swim platform on the back. It's a great boat for the island. Take your kids water skiing, tubing. Come see me, Jody Walters, MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida. It's end of year special. We're going to get rid of it. It's not going to be here long, so give me a call.